अर्थ प्रकाश टीवी चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए और हर ताज़ा न्यूज़ से अपडेट रहने के लिए बेल आइकन को दबाइए। उपराष्ट्रपति एम वेंकैया नायडू ने हरियाणा राज्य में विभिन्न योजनाओं व कार्यक्रमों के प्रभावी ढंग से क्रियान्वयन के लिए मुख्यमंत्री मनोहर लाल के नेतृत्व की प्रशंसा की। एम वेंकैया नायडू गुजरात की राजधानी गांधीनगर में चल रहे वाइब्रेट गुजरात 2019 के समापन सम्मेलन को संबोधित कर रहे थे। उन्होंने हरियाणा को देश के सर्वाधिक विकसित राज्यों में से एक राज्य बताते हुए इसका श्रेय प्रदेश की वर्तमान सरकार को दिया। सम्मेलन में गुजरात के राज्यपाल ओपी कोहली तथा गुजरात के मुख्यमंत्री विजय रूपाणी सहित केंद्र व राज्य सरकार के अनेक मंत्री भी उपस्थित थे।
I wish to congratulate the government of Gujarat on successfully hosting this ninth edition of Vibrant Gujarat Global Summit. Vibrant Gujarat 2019 is truly an inspiration for all the other states of India to create a global platform and position themselves on the world map. Our Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji, who also comes from this prestigious land of Gujarat, has set a holistic vision of taking India through a surge of economic and social empowerment by launching various priority initiatives such as Make in India, Skill India, Digital India, Swachh Bharat Mission, Pradhan Mantri Ujjwala Yojana, Beti Bachao, etc. Today, I am very proud to share that Haryana has done exceedingly well in achieving successful outcomes across all these initiatives. Regarding initiatives under Make in India, our government has undertaken a series of reforms and initiatives at the state level to reduce the regulatory burden on the investor, which has resulted in Haryana jumping 11 positions from 14th in 2015 to 3rd in 2018 in the state's ease of doing business ranking carried out by Government of India. In fact, we are the first ease of doing business in North India. We have developed a single window mechanism in the statutory backing Haryana Enterprises Promotion Center, wherein more than 70 industrial services are provided in a time-bound manner. In 2016, we hosted the happening Haryana Global Business Summit, wherein MOUs worth 5.84 lakh crores were signed and investment of rupees 3 lakh crores have either been grounded or is under implementation. Haryana was conferred with the Champion of Change award under the category of Best State for engaging maximum apprentices per lakh of population under the Apprentices Act 1961. Regarding initiatives under Digital India, we have launched four policies in this regard: IT and ESDM policy, startup and entrepreneurship policy, communication and infrastructure policy, and cyber security policy. These policies were deliberated and formulated in line with Digital India's vision and three key pillars, that is, digital empowerment of citizens, digital governance, and digital infrastructure as a utility to every citizen. Further, Antyodaya and Saral is a unified platform developed by us to deliver and track government to citizen services and schemes across the state through faceless, paperless, and cashless services and schemes delivery model. 485 services are available on the Saral portal and 200 Kendras have been established across the state. Initiative under Swachh Bharat Mission is concerned. In 2018, Haryana was awarded #1 state award for its outstanding achievements in the field of sanitation and cleanliness under the Swachh Sarvekshan Gramin. The top 6 districts in the country under Swachh Sarvekshan Gramin included 3 districts from Haryana, namely Gurugram, Karnal, and Rewari. Initiative under Beti Bachao and Beti Padhao, initiative under Ujjwala scheme, we have achieved remarkably. I would like to conclude by thanking the Government of Gujarat for providing us with this opportunity to participate in the Vibrant Gujarat 2019 and also hold such a successful Haryana State Seminar. which enabled us to leverage this international platform to showcase Haryana's industrial strength and investment opportunities. Jai Hind, Jai Haryana.
चंडीगढ़ से अर्थ प्रकाश न्यूज़।
अर्थ प्रकाश वेब टीवी